Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today, for our number talk, we're looking at these two fractions and approximating the sum, trying to figure out if they are closer to about 1/2, about 1, or about 2. So we don't need to worry about getting the exact answer here. We just need to approximate or estimate. So let's take a look at each of these fractions and see if we can get them closer to something that's a benchmark that we could use. So I'm thinking if we can get each of these proper fractions here closer to either 0, 1/2, or 1, then estimating is going to be pretty simple. So let's look at 33 over 60. What do we know about that? Well, an easy thing that we can do is we can always take a fraction like this and we can see what 1/2 would be. So let's take 60. Let's cut it in half. That's going to be 30. That 33 over 60 is really close to that 30 over 60. So what I'm going to do is just going to reimagine this as 1/2. Remember, we are just estimating here. Let's do the same thing for this 23 over 40. And let's just kind of figure out, all right, what's half of 40? That's 20. Once again, that 23 over 40, they're both a little bit over 1/2, but we're just estimating here. So that's about 1/2. So 33 over 60 is about 1/2. 23 over 40 is about 1/2. So what happens if I add 1/2 and 1/2, right? If I've got 1/2 plus 1/2, well, that's going to be about 1. Now, in actuality, the real answer would be a little bit more than 1, but that's going to be the closest approximate sum.